Common mistakes in English and how to fix them. Do you also make these common English mistakes? Don't worry. Today, I'll help you fix them so you can speak English confidently. Hi everyone. Welcome to English Glow Up with Saniya, where we make English learning easy and fun. Let's start. Mistake 1. Using the past tense after did. Incorrect. She didn't went to the market. Correct. She didn't go to the market. Why? In English, when we use did in a sentence, the verb should always be in its base form, go, come, eat, and not in the past form, went, came, ate. More examples. I didn't eat breakfast. I didn't eat breakfast. He didn't knew the answer. He didn't know the answer. Mistake 2. Confusing there, and there. Incorrect. There is a dog outside. Correct. There is a dog outside. What's the difference? They're used for a place or existence. There's a book on the table. There shows possession. Their house is beautiful. They're short for they are. They're coming soon. More examples. They're going to the park. They're going to the park. I left my bag over there. I left my bag over there. That's it for today. Did you find these mistakes helpful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next video.